Consumers are looking to engage and pay at their own convenience, using whatever device they want and in their channel of choice. Our expertise is helping customers offer these options securely.
We've been successfully implementing our patented secure payment solution since 2004. We're the market leader, financially stable, and a publicly traded company.
We've been PCI compliant continuously since 2010. We've achieved this by embedding security at the heart of what we do, our staff, our policies, and the product we provide to our customers.
We're a partner you can trust. Whether it's legacy equipment, desktops, or secure payments, we deliver the customer engagement solutions the market demands today.
We take the time to understand all of your requirements so that we can deliver a solution that does exactly what you want, on time and within budget.
When we bring on an Eckoh client, we're partners. We work together to protect our customers' investment and to create a great consumer experience.
Eckoh customers get the best technology available today and benefit from our continued innovation in solutions for changing consumer demand.
The reason Fortune 500 companies choose to work with us is because our team has over 2 decades of proven experience. We recognize that our people are our strongest asset, and our culture of sharing and learning keeps us at the forefront of technology innovation.